Hi everyone! So finally, we will be able to visit Gordon Ramsay's Bar and Grill restaurant located at the Newport World Resorts, Manila. So here, we will share with you the full menu at kung ano-ano yung mga in-order namin. And of course, yung inaantay ng marami, magkano nga ba ang magiging bill mo pag kumain ka sa Gordon Ramsay's Bar and Grill restaurant. Actually, it's not that bad. I mean, yung prices niya very reasonable naman. And lahat naman ng in-order namin, nagustuhan naman namin talaga. So here's our final bill, and please take note, pito kami dyan with one toddler. So I think okay naman siya. Of course, you cannot do this on a regular basis, but if you have a special occasion to celebrate, I think pwedeng-pwede na. So yun lang. Thank you so much for watching.